Can you be vegan and be extremely unhealthy? Yes, abso-fucking-lutely. Hi, my name is Jeanette, and today I want to talk about whether being vegan is healthy. So, stay tuned. So, is being vegan healthy? Well, it depends on what kind of vegan you are, okay? There are a plethora of types of vegans, okay? So it's not just one type of vegan. There is a junk food vegan. There is a raw vegan, or mostly raw vegan. There's a whole foods plant-based vegan. There is a starch solution vegan, or a high-carb, low-fat vegan. There is a anorexic vegan, right? Is that healthy? No. There's so many types. Gluten-free vegan, right? So let me I really want you guys to know that just going vegan is amazing. It is literally the best thing you can do for the safety of the animals and the future of our planet and our species as humans as well, because we cannot survive taking the amount of resources that we take to, you know, enslave, torture, and kill animals just to eat them for no reason. Is being vegan healthy? Okay, so yes, you can be vegan and be extremely healthy, but you can also be vegan and be extremely unhealthy. If you're vegan and you eat Oreos for breakfast and French fries for lunch and the fucking new Impossible Burger for dinner, you absolutely can be and will be extremely unhealthy. Why? Because you're eating processed junk food, okay? So junk food is junk food is junk food, whether it's vegan or not. But being vegan, obviously way healthier. So you're probably not gonna die of a heart attack or cancer if you're vegan. You could, because you're eating chemicals. But you might get diabetes, because diabetes comes from a very high saturated fat diet. And that's what you're eating when you're eating these processed foods, these fried foods, this junk food, okay? If you're vegan, you're not immune to having diseases, okay? You can absolutely get sick. You can be tired all the time. You can have... If you're vegan and you're eating like this, you're eating processed junk, you can absolutely get sick. You can be sick all the time. You can have anemia. You can be overweight. You can have acne. You know, you can have chronic fatigue. You can have all the problems that all other people have in society. Now, if you want to be healthy, if you want to be a healthy vegan like some of us, then you gonna have to change, boo-boo, okay? Because nothing changes until you change. And if you want to be healthy and you want to start to live a healthier lifestyle, just know that it can actually be quite easy, okay? Once you make that change. Okay, so your taste buds change every 7 days. You need to know that, all right? So after 7 days of struggling and eating really healthy things and drinking smoothies and green juice and, you know, salads and like healthy food, whole foods, you know, quinoa and like rice and vegetables and fresh fruit, okay? And abstaining from fried foods and junk food, your taste buds will change, absolutely, abso-fucking-lutely, okay? If you have zero processed food, zero junk food, zero artificial sugar and just nonsense, and you only eat whole foods, plant-based, fresh fruit and vegetables, you can have cooked food too, but it has to be whole plant-based foods, meaning things that are not processed, meaning things that have one ingredient, okay? Brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, broccoli, apples, carrots, you know, come on now, we can go on forever. Pineapples, mangoes, watermelon, peaches, figs, cherries, grapes, coconuts, mangoes, did I say mangoes? Melons of all kind, not these kind though. Passion fruit, dragon fruit, jackfruit, durian, kiwis, oranges. Come on now, okay, so that's what I mean. So like, all that, there's so many things to eat, right? And spices. If you're creative in the kitchen, you'll never get bored, ever. Even eating a raw vegan diet, you won't get bored, okay? It's about being creative, okay? So I want to wrap this up because it's a short video. I'll make another video that's a bit longer. I'm just like the sun is setting, so I'm gonna be in the dark in a minute. But yes, you can absolutely be unhealthy being a vegan, and you can also be the healthiest you've ever been being a vegan. The difference is you gotta be plant-based. You gotta give up the junk, the vegan junk, the Oreos. If you want to have it once in a while, you can, but if you are having junk food every single day, you're gonna feel like junk. We are what we eat. Food equals mood, okay? I never want you to forget that. I'm definitely gonna make a much longer video on this. Was ill-prepared today, but I wanted to get it out. I was ill-prepared today, but I wanted to get it out. That's what she said? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. If you want more content like this, that's super rushed and fast and inappropriate for underage kids, then subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!